How to invite friends in BeReal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your friends. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. So here on the top, you'll be able to search your friends. Here there are different suggestions too. So here on the search bar, you can simply search for the username of your friend or directly search your friends. The next option you can do is by directly syncing the contacts. So this will directly enable you to invite other friends. So here on the bottom you can see invite your contacts. Now simply tap on this invite button. So as you can see, they have been invited. Now they will be able to connect with you in this application. So you can even share and chat with the friends now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.